Welcome to Quizlicious. This is Pick One, Kick One Dog Edition. Let's see which of these adorable dogs you prefer. If you love dogs, this is going to be tough. Pick one, kick one, a golden retriever or a Rottweiler. Pick one, kick one, German Shepherd or a miniature Dachshund. Pick one, kick one, a Bulldog or a Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Pick one, kick one, a Dalmatian or a German short-haired pointer. Pick one, kick one, a Pug or a Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Pick one, kick one, Australian Shepherd or Labradoodle. Pick one, kick one, a Boxer or an Irish Wolfhound. Pick one, kick one, Great Dane or Saint Bernard. Pick one, kick one, miniature Schnauzer or a Jack Russell. Pick one, kick one, Doberman Pinscher or a Weimaraner. Pick one, kick one, a Boston Terrier or a Scotty Dog. Pick one, kick one, a Bichon Frise or a Brittany. Pick one, kick one, Shetland Sheepdog or a Border Terrier. Pick one, kick one, a Labrador or a Shiba Inu. Pick one, kick one, a Chihuahua or a Shih Tzu. Pick one, kick one, a Husky or a Collie. Pick one, kick one, an American Pit Bull or a Bull Mastiff. Pick one, kick one, Shiba Inu or a Portuguese Water Dog. Pick one, kick one. West Highland Terrier or a miniature Schnauzer. Pick one, kick one. Bloodhound or a Japanese Akita. Pick one, kick one. An Irish Setter or an Italian Greyhound. Pick one, kick one. A Cane Corso or a Samoyed. Pick one, kick one. A Whippet or a Havanese. Pick one, kick one. A Bull Terrier or an Airedale Terrier. Pick one, kick one. Great Pyrenees or an Alaskan Malamute. Pick one, kick one. A Chinese Sharpei or a giant Schnauzer. Pick one, kick one. A Lhaso Apso or a Welsh Corgi. Pick one, kick one. An Italian Greyhound or a Belgian Malinois. Pick one, kick one. A Brittany or a Cairn Terrier. Pick one, kick one. Old English Sheepdog or a Pekingese. Let me know in the comments section what your favorite breed of dog is, and if you had fun with this one, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for playing.